Hey, what's going on, guys? Well, people were asking since I went back to dealership, did they fix the washer sprayer nozzle? Well, you ready for it? Keep an eye on it. No, they did not. So I'm gonna try to make this quick. They acknowledge that I'm not the only person that has that problem. They've been talking to the main hub. There's been a couple people that have reported a very similar problem, and the solution for most of those people have been a new nozzle that has a 2-degree angle change. The problem is it did not work for mine. So I believe the angle change was in the wrong direction. It was a 2-degree higher or something, and obviously it's already shooting too high. So still, to be continued. That's all. Have a great day. See you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.